YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So let's get right to the chase. So I just got another package in the mail. This is a eBay package, but this is no like ordinary like eBay packages. It's more like a shoe unboxing. So let's open up and find what it is. Man, sellers these days guess use white bags. Man, you really get this good. Yeah, he didn't double box it, which I didn't like, but it's okay, I guess. Sellers these days on eBay has to use double boxing. I'm sorry, these gray packages won't work out that good. So so you guys know what box that is. If you guys look at it. I'm sorry for this. Package is good, but I prefer a box over all this crap. There you go. Alright, let's put that away. If you guys look, we got the Lebron box, Lebron 11s. This, if you guys look at the retail price, this is $200. So I paid about $90 off eBay from this guy. He offered me a good price, so basically these shoes was basically a steal. If you look at the box, this is the MC Greens, and basically this is a, I can't say this is the best colorway they got. So let's open this up and let's look at the shoe. Oh yeah. Guys, look at this. Oh yeah. That shoe's nice. Smells new. The bottom looks good. The soles. Just it's a little bit dirty, but it'll be okay. I'll clean that right up. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are in excellent condition. He said this is brand new, but they look brand new, but they're a little dusty from, I guess, sitting on the shelf for a while. So let's look at the shoe some more. Oh yeah, nice colorway. I like it. Alright guys, thank you for watching my sneaker unboxing / eBay unboxing. Well, more like an unpackaging, but who cares? So, thank you for watching. Bye.